Hello students, welcome back to Naughty Skill Center online classes. Here I am, Kabishri Bhia, your course trainer from Retail Services. So today we are going to study from the core module Visual Merchandising, and the topic is Factors to Consider when selecting merchandise for display from Unit 6, Maintain Merchandise Display. So let's begin. The key learning objectives of today's class is identify and explain the factors to consider when selecting merchandise for display. Explain the importance of checking the condition of merchandise for display. We all know what merchandise is, isn't it? Merchandise is the types of goods and services offered. For example, automotive parts, shoes, jewelry, handbags, etc. So merchandising is both an activity and a strategy that contributes to the sale of goods and services by stimulating interest or otherwise enticing customers to make a purchase. So let us today study on various factors to consider when selecting the right merchandise for the display, and also the importance of checking the condition of the merchandise for a display. Factors to consider when selecting merchandise for display. Merchandise selection is more about branding your store. So there are various factors which we can consider when selecting the merchandise for displaying in the retail store. First is consumable. Choose a product with recurring sales. Popularity. Sell a product that's popular at the time of display. Competition from competitors. To compete with others, you have to keep in mind what products you are emphasizing on to display so that it can be differentiated from the competitors. Uniqueness of the product. To showcase the uniqueness of the product and to emphasize the product to display whether it is competing from the other brands and to showcase the uniqueness of that particular product. So let us look at few merchandise display examples which will give you a clear idea. So consumables. The first factor which we studied is the consumables. Consumables build the recurring sales. Consumables are goods used by individuals and businesses that must be replaced regularly because they wear out or are used up. Choose the product for display which have the recurring sales, just as the consumables. So try to carry at least some items that need to be replaced regularly. Suppose hand lotion, batteries, edible items, etc. So these things guarantee repeat business, bringing customers back into your store to see other merchandise too. So you have to keep in mind while displaying the merchandise, so you should consider the most important factor is that the consumables. The another factor which is known as the popularity factor. Suppose for example in this picture you can see both are displayed of Valentine's Day. In the left picture you can see Valentine's Day display at the front of a candy store where chocolates are being displayed, and at particular Valentine's Day celebration chocolates is one of the main popular merchandise or the product which gets sold more often. So products which are popular at that particular time are being displayed. For example, chocolates here, and in the right picture the red color merchandise is being displayed to highlight the Valentine's Day theme. So you should know what kind of merchandise you should display at that particular point of time where it is popular. So next example. So this one, consider seasonality too. Suppose in that particular period of time you have the spring summer collection going on, so you have to create your displays around the current trends and seasons. In this picture, spring summer collection is being shown, where if it is summer, shoppers are most likely to come and buy a floral dress rather than a coat or a sweater, isn't it? It is important to keep this in mind when creating product displays. If it is cold outside, shoppers are more likely to purchase a coat than a swimsuit. So you have to keep in mind on the popularity factor of these, also the seasonal factors which is going on at that particular point of time. So displaying the merchandise and selecting the right kind of merchandise is an integral part, since merchandise is one of the key factors, right? Customers come to your store to buy that merchandise or the products you are offering. For example, in your apparel store, fashion cycles are short. So whenever you have new arrivals, the challenge faced by many clothing retailers is that this needs to be planned for, and the new merchandise must receive good placement in the store. And therefore, a constant change of displays and store floors are common for clothing retailers. New items are merchandised closer to the front of the store, as these are the products or the merchandise that you want your customers to notice first and showcase the uniqueness of the product and the latest trends and collections your brand is offering. So there are various brands which offer the same products, right? They are all competitors in the market. They all want to compete with their competitors by offering the different kinds of products and also through their visual merchandising displays. So this is an example of a display of Nike brand. Nike, as we all know, is a brand famous worldwide for its shoes and sneakers. Their display products keep changing and always throw a bold statement. Just like their tagline, just do it. Nike also shows the same in their visual merchandising. They showcase various colors, decorative walls, and products complementing them. They promote athletes and sports in their displays. So this is one more example while you are trying to focus on the factor from competition with the other competitors. So while many retailers may carry the same merchandise, merchandising strategies are what distinguish retail competitors. How branding, packaging, and visual display is or isn't used in a retailer's merchandising strategy has a direct impact on foot traffic, sales, customer loyalty, and general popularity. So merchandise can make a retail store a place where shoppers want to be or do not want to be. So while displaying a merchandise, a visual merchandiser should consider all these factors while selecting the right merchandise for its display, so that customers come to your store rather than going to your competitor's store, so that its uniqueness is showcased and it can be differentiated from the competitors, and you can drive more customers to your store. Importance of checking condition of merchandise. So it is important to maintain the visual standards of a store or shop floor. Sloppy or poorly maintained store or shop floor could ruin the image and reputation of a store. This will affect the store sales. See, the products a retail store makes available to its customers are important, but the way those products are merchandised ultimately determines what moves out the door, and how quickly it goes. So whenever you walk into a typical retail store, you will likely notice tidy, curated product displays that visually highlight their items for sale. Those products aren't arranged that way by accident. The merchant using visual merchandising best practices to help the products sell themselves. So you won't visit a store which has poor merchandise or have damaged merchandise, right? You'll of course visit a store which have the right merchandise, which have a beautiful and a tidy and a proper merchandise for you. So let us look at this display or the condition of the merchandise. Will you visit a store or will you pick a merchandise from this particular store where the products are showcased like this? Of course not, right? So let us look at the importance of checking condition of merchandise. You have to ensure that displays should not look old. Merchandise are not outdated. Fixtures must be dusted and cleaned. Garments should be refolded and hung. All price tickets should be attached. Dirty and soiled products should be either cleaned or replaced. So, merchandise selection is more about branding your store. Whenever you keep your merchandise in your retail store to entice your customers, it is the merchandise that the customers come to your store. If your merchandise does not look good, it looks old or outdated, the customers won't buy your products. You will lose your customers, isn't it? So the products you are offering represents your brand and the image it carries. So you have to make sure that your merchandise displays match the standards and are not old or are not outdated. You have to make sure that the right fixtures are being used and the fixtures are dusted and cleaned. If you have a tidy and a clean store, the customers will feel good about it and the ambience will have a feel-good factor. So that's all for today. I hope you have understood and learned about the importance of checking the condition of merchandise and the right merchandise which needs to be selected for display and the factors which needs to be considered. So if you have any doubts or queries, please feel free to call or text. Thank you.